Hello there, welcome to the DaveTech YouTube channel, and in this video I will show you how to watch WeTV on Hisense Smart TV. If you find the video helpful, like, subscribe and share for more important videos like this. So to watch it is very simple. The first thing is for you to make sure the application is installed, and here's over here. I can just go ahead and launch, but assuming you don't have the application installed, let's start by installing it, which is simple. Just go over to your app store or your Hisense TV app store, and then click on search and search for application, which is WeTV, and just go ahead and launch it or open it since I already have it installed. So I'm just going to click on it once and it's going to open on my Hisense Smart TV, and you can watch on. It's very easy. So now here's application. So there's lots of content that you can watch here, but sometimes you have to log in to your account or your subscribed account before you can watch full content. But this is how the application looks like. So you can come over here, choose what you want to watch, and start watching. So if you find the video helpful, like, subscribe, and share for more important videos like this.